In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your folder sizes on Google Drive. Whether you're managing personal files or coordinating large projects, keeping an eye on your storage usage is essential for staying organized and ensuring you have enough space for everything you need. Let's dive right in and guide you through this simple yet handy process. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Google Drive website. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts for personal, professional, or educational purposes. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Google Drive homepage, where all your files and folders are neatly organized. Next, direct your attention to the left side of the screen, where you'll find several options listed in a sidebar. You're going to look for and click on the storage option. This is your gateway to seeing just how much space you're using overall. It's a helpful tool that Google provides to make managing your digital footprint just a bit more transparent. After clicking on the Storage button, you'll want to look to the right side of the screen. Here you'll find the Storage Used link waiting for you. Give that a click, and this is where the magic happens. By clicking here, you'll trigger a detailed view which will break down your storage use, giving you a much clearer picture of what's occupying the most space in your Google Drive. Now you can view the sizes of your folders in detail. Understanding the size of each folder is incredibly useful, especially if you're nearing your storage limit and need to know where to trim the fat. It's like having an X-ray of your digital content, allowing you to see through the layers of files and focus on what's contributing most to your storage consumption. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully navigated through your Google Drive to check your folder sizes. It's a quick process that provides valuable insight into your storage use, helping you manage your files more effectively. Whether you choose to organize your files further, remove what you no longer need, or decide it's time to upgrade your storage plan, you're now informed and prepared to make those decisions with confidence. Remember, regularly checking your storage will ensure you're always aware of your usage and help you avoid any surprises when your storage fills up. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more empowered to take full control of your digital space. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.